Okay, so my beautiful wife is in beautiful Mexico, and I have been had a couple of days off. I'm just trying to get some stuff done here, so I'll just kind of walk through just to keep a record of what we're doing. So this doesn't really probably look much different than it did. I got somebody's coming to look at these last signs. This is just, I've moved everything kind of over. So we're gonna have the driveway will be coming in here. These gates will be open for the most part. So the driveway is going to come through here, and then on the other side of that motor home is another gate that's going to be cut. So we're going to have it cut in half. So we'll have a kind of a, you'll be driving through here, and then it'll curl out there. So we've had all of this grass removed. I've got a guy, he's coming tonight with his excavator out there. He's going to pull away from the fence. And so in this corner is going to be the where the recycling, the bins are. So like these bins, there will be, I don't know, maybe not these exact bins, but some bins under a shelter so that it doesn't fill up with snow and rain and that. And then they're going to go along this fence. Well, I don't know. It's the shelter. It's actually kind of worked out well because I was going to build a wooden structure with like a roof over top. And a friend has one of those carports, like a Shelter Logic. I think it's 13 by 20, and so the tarp got blown out in a windstorm. I just gotta pop that down. The tarp got blown out in a windstorm, so it's gonna go in here, the frame, and I'm gonna put tin, like roofing tin, on it. But it's a really good size. Like, it might be a 12 by 20, but the bottom was just maybe stretched out or something. I don't know. But when I measured out at the bottom, it seemed like 13 by 20. And so what's left of the tarp, my friend Ed's going to take. And he's just going to use it for ground sheets or whatever. He's going to come in here tonight, clean all of this grass out. And then Stark Industrial Services is going to come back. They've been loading, we've already taken, I think, 7 loads of that kind of dirt gravel mix that we've scraped off of here, or I should say he's scraped off of here. And then once we get the corners all cleaned out and along the edge, then he's going to spread this milled asphalt. And this is well, I shouldn't say it was free. It was free. I traded work for it. I drove Outback Ridge Services is the company name, so I drove his truck for him a little bit, and then he hauled this stuff here for me. So yeah, this is all like a ground up highway. It's gonna get spread out all over this side. I've already got some out here that I put on with when I had that skid steer in the spring. And then once I get this all done, then we're gonna go along and clean all of that side out, like get all the grass out of there. It was frozen when I tried to do it before. So then, I mean, you know, like this is all, it all takes time, but I'm just showing you what I'm planning to do. So from this corner of the building, the fence is going to come out a few feet. It's going to come out to about here, and it's going to go down through that pile. And then I'm going to have a gate, like this will be a gate here, because that other gate is there. So when I have delivery trucks coming, they can come in through from this gate, kind of swoop around out, and then back up into here where the loading will be happening. Oh, look at those dogs. You stop bothering him. Quit. You don't smile about that. That's just rude. You know that bothers him. he doesn't care. He likes bothering people, or other dogs anyhow. She doesn't care either. She'll bother whoever. So anyways, this is what I'm in the midst of doing now. We've got this dugout here. I'm gonna bring in, once we get this corner cleaned out, get that fence out of there, we're gonna bring in some topsoil, and once this stuff is all spread out, then we can start working on this corner here. But yeah, and I realize that I've got a lot of work to do here too, so don't judge me. Unless you're judging me well. Anyhow, my friends, that's what's going on here now. This is all just gonna slowly get cleaned up. Oh right, and I also when I took a load of equipment, like traffic control equipment, into the company who's buying it in Fort St. John, and then I got a call, or sorry, a text. Hey, you stay back here. Asking if I wanted some appliances and stuff. So I've got this microwave that works. It's an inverter microwave. This air conditioner that kind of works but kind of doesn't. I got a fan that works but the stand's broken. I got a dishwasher and over the range microwave. Both of those apparently work. There's a mini fridge. And I also she had some chairs and stuff I told her I'd take because they have metal frames, and then I'll just recycle them with my other stuff. But yeah, that's what's been going on here. Hey, you two, come on. So we'll get this cleaned up, and then I can start scrapping again. It's been hard to find the time. Like, this has been taking a lot of time. Oh, I don't see it anymore. Oh yeah, it is over there. So their dump truck, another guy that I Bullhead Services in the Hudson's Hope there, he's been really good. We're just trading services. So he lets me use his truck, and then I'll drive for him here and there if he gets short a driver or something and I'm free. So this is what we're dealing with. A mess.